Hey, how you doing? It's Tom, and it's Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another fantastic buy on Amazon on a radio. Todderbert just put up a video on this one, and that reminded me that I had it in my list to show you, and so I'm going to show it to you right now. And these sales don't last a long time, so you got to get in there. This is the Eton Elite Executive. This is kind of the top of the line of their portable radios. It's AM, FM, aircraft, single sideband for shortwave, RDS. It's got 700 presets, a clock and a sleep timer, and long wave. And it's 37% off. It's normally $250. It's on sale now for $157. You got to get one of these. These are nice little radios. If you want to get the whole shebang, all bands, sleep clock timer, everything. Check it out. I'm going to put this in my Amazon store. The link to my Amazon store is in the description below each of my videos. It takes you to my Amazon store. It's just a store front. I don't have any merchandise. You're dealing directly with Amazon. And while you're there, when you take that link, if you buy something else like birdseed, I get a small commission for that. And what I do is I take my total commissions from the Amazon store and buy radios to review. Thanks for your support, for everybody that's done that already. I don't get any information of who buys what. I do get information of what is purchased, but I don't know by whom. So I can't thank you directly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.